see it everywhere, but do you know what it actually is?
Well, scientists had wondered this since Newton's time. Some experiments had indicated that light was a wave, but not until Albert Einstein did they find an answer, which they found through the photoelectric effect.
Einstein got an idea from Planck. Planck was investigating something called the ultraviolet catastrophe. This catastrophe occurred because if light was a wave, or indiscrete, as scientists had thought of for years, then as the intensity of the light increased, the wavelength would also increase indefinitely. This caused a problem.
So this is the classical view on light, and it plots frequency on the x-axis and intensity on the y-axis. However, this cannot be true because if intensity increases indefinitely, we would all be killed off by high-level radiation.
So Planck came up with a solution. If light was quantized and came in discrete packets, Planck's calculations had correlation with this graph. So it matched with the results of the real-world experiments, giving Einstein the idea to further investigate on the characteristics of light.
So what did Einstein investigate with? He used the photoelectric effect in his experiments, and basically the photoelectric effect is when photons hit a sheet of metal and then electrons bounce off. However, after observing this, Einstein questioned whether light could be a wave.
If light were a wave, then energy would be dependent on intensity and not frequency. However, Einstein's experiments contradicted this and in fact showed that the energy of light depended on frequency and not intensity. OMG, why is this?
The answer? Light is indeed a particle. If light is a particle, then changing the frequency of that particle would change the energy that the particle carried. In that way, when it hit the metal, the energy of the electron would be changed.
What the?
As you can see, the frequency of the photons is low. That means that the energy of the electron released is also low.
With higher frequency, the electron has higher energy.
So the photoelectric effect experiment disproved many years of scientific beliefs and changed scientists' minds or views. So, by the way, Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize, so he's the boss.
What?